Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson we are going to be working on fixing the problem where the player cannot move after performing the second special move. So let's just go into the game now and we'll see what the issue is.
Round 1. Fight.
So this is going to be quite a simple video. It's going to be more testing in this lesson. Well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. So as you can see, special move 1 is done and the player can move. However, let's charge up the second special move. And now the player is unable to move. Let's stop that there. Let's clear the console. So let's fix this problem. Now we're going to come to the wait for special move animation functions. Now the first part of this function, this if statement here, for if the player 1 anim for the special move is playing. This code is all fine. It's this bottom piece of code here that we have a problem with. Now mine's just moved to the right slightly. That's just due to the fact this is my second go at recording this video. There was a problem with the first time I recorded it, so but that's the code as it was. And what we're going to do, we're going to create a couple of if statements. So firstly, if open and close brackets, special move 1 active, double equals true. Let's come to the end of the line and we'll open and close the brackets. Let's just put this into the comments if, and in fact I'll just use the naming convention, and is equal to true. And let's copy that if statement and we'll paste it in again. And of course we're just going to change 1 to 2. And now we can come to this code here. And what we're going to do, let's copy that firstly into the special move 1 active. So that's fine. The first part, so if animation is playing, return. Below that we're going to say else. Let's open and close the brackets, and what we're going to do now is we're going to cut and paste the other two lines where we set special move 1 active to false and where we change states inside this else block. And let's just copy that. I'll just get rid of that blank line and we're going to paste it in to the special move 2. So obviously we need to change what needs to be changed, so that needs to be special move 2 anim. Remembering of course to change it in the comments also. Now we're going to set the special move 2 active to false. And of course we're still switching to the idle state, so that is all fine. And we're going to just delete the previous code. Let's save this off. And and we'll hit play. So let's see if we can now move after the second special move.
Round 1. Fight.
So player 1, let's do the first special move, and it works and I can still move, so we haven't broken that. Very important to check. Let's charge up the second special move. And now we've done the special move, can we move the player? Yes, we can. We are returning to the idle state as we should. Going to come very close to the opponent. Let's just charge up the special move. And what I want is I'm just going to change the default value to the charge special move to 1. And I want to see if hitting the opponent stops the player from moving, which it is. But it's also still allowing us to move. This was part of the code that we implemented in the previous lesson. And let's have a look. It's this code here, where if the player's unable to move, i.e. has come into contact with the opponent, then it doesn't become locked. We realise we cannot move any further, so we cannot move to the 10th position we defined, so it just ends the movement there and resets. So that is perfect, that is all working fine. Obviously we still need to implement damage and some sort of effect, or maybe effects, maybe more than one for this special move, but we'll pick that up in the very next lesson. As I said, quite a simple lesson today, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.